Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make this really simple caramelized onion dip for chips or vegetables. Even though it takes some time to caramelize the onions, it's so worth it. To get started, thinly slice 2 large yellow onions. Then add 4 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of olive oil to a large pan and heat it up until the butter is melted. Add the onions and cook to caramelize on low to medium heat for 1 to 2 hours until the onions have darkened. The darker you take the onions, the more flavor and sweet they will taste. I like mine really dark, but you can stop before this point, it will still have tons of flavor. Just be sure to stir it every few minutes so they cook evenly and don't burn. Now add 2 tablespoons of white wine and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce to deglaze the pan. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes to cook out the alcohol. Take the onions out of the pan and onto a plate to cool down. They have to be at room temperature or cold before making the dip. Once cooled, add the onions, 4 ounces of room temperature cream cheese, 1.5 cups of sour cream, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder to a blender or food processor. Blend the dip until smooth, then check for salt and pepper. Mine definitely needed some salt. If you like pieces of onion in the dip, you can just mix it right in the cream cheese and sour cream, or blend half the onions and mix in the rest. And that's it! Dip in your favorite chips or veggies. I love eating this dip with plain chips. You'll never want to eat store-bought onion dip again after making this yourself. Also, when the dip sits in the fridge, it gets even thicker and better the next day. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.